One of the easiest ways to guide your viewers to more of your content and accrue more watch time is by using playlists. Don't know where to start? Well, keep watching because I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to create playlists and how to share them. How many times have you started watching a video on YouTube and then you continue watching the next one and the next one and the next one, and it just goes on and on and on, and then a few hours have passed and you wake up and you go, where have I been for the last 4 hours? I think we've all fallen down that YouTube rabbit hole. Well, what if you could guide your viewers to more of your content rather than them clicking on someone else's? Well, that's where playlists come in. First of all, you only want to create playlists that include videos that are all relevant to each other. So on my channel, I have YouTube tips, how to on YouTube, and business video making tips. Playlists are also great for filling out your YouTube channel page, as they direct your new viewers to your key pieces of content. Playlists are easy to create and share on YouTube, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So we start by heading over to the YouTube studio and selecting the Videos tab. This will give you a list of all the videos that you have uploaded. Now we're going to go through and select all the videos we want to add by ticking the box on the left of the video. The theme for this playlist is going to be content creation, so I'll pick these videos. Once you have selected all your videos, scroll up to the black bar at the top and select Add to Playlist. If you have previously created any playlists, they will appear here, but we're going to select New Playlist. Now write a catchy title for your playlist, as this will appear in search results and on your channel. So I'm going to call this Content Creation Tips. And then you want to click Create and Save. So now you've created your playlist, how do you edit the video order? On the left hand side, you want to hover over Other Features and then select Playlists. Find the playlist that you want to change and select Edit Playlist on the right hand side. On this page you can edit your title and you can add a description. So this is basically telling people what the actual full content of all your videos in your playlist is about. And then here you have all the videos, and you can change the order a few different ways. So let's say I wanted to change the order to the order you should watch them in your content creation strategy. So it could be, first of all, you're getting ideas, so what are the main types of content you can produce, and then you're writing scripts, so that will come next. How long should my video be? That comes with scripts as well. And then how to make your phone footage stand out, why you should use a microphone, they all go together. And then lastly, how to stay consistent, because that's like the wrap up to keep you going on all of it. So you can just click and drag where you want your videos to go. There's another option as well. If you go to sort by up the top, you can do it by things like the date added, so you can always have your newest at the top or your oldest at the top. Or another good option is by doing most popular as well, because then you're going to be serving up your most popular content first, and then that will trickle down to your least popular content as you go. If for any reason you want to delete your playlist, you click Edit next to your channel name. If you click the 3 vertical dots up the top right, you can then select Delete Playlist. Now that you've created your playlist, it's time to share it. But why would you share a playlist rather than just a single video? If you share your video through a playlist, then people are going to be more likely to watch more of your content, as you're literally telling them what you want them to watch next. This time we're starting on the YouTube homepage, and on the left you'll find a list of your playlists. If you can't see the one you're looking for, click Show More at the bottom, and then if you click on the playlist you want to share, it'll bring you back to this familiar page we were just looking at a second ago. So just like before, we want to click Edit next to your channel name and logo. Now it's as simple as clicking the share button up the top, and from here you can copy the link and paste it wherever you want, in an email, on social media, or you have these handy social media buttons as well, which will allow you to post directly on those platforms. So to wrap up, playlists are a great way to direct your viewers to more of your content. The more content you produce, the more your playlists will grow, the more watch time you accrue, and the further up the search results your YouTube channel and your videos will appear. Are there any features on YouTube that you're not sure how to use or you're not getting the full benefits from? Let me know in the comments and I'll try and make a future video on them. If you found this video helpful and useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and as always, make sure you subscribe and click the bell to get notified of my latest YouTube tip videos. So on my channel, on a playlist that are all create playlists. Playlists are also great